Hello friends, today we are going to discuss third video on the reasoning and general intelligence. So, third unit is series completion. Here we need to find the correct letter or word in the place of the question mark. 3 to 5 questions are asked in the competitive exam on this pattern. So, I kindly suggest you to solve these kind of numericals or problems in the end of session because they may consume your more time while solving this kind of new problems. So types of the series are number series and letter series. The certain types of the number series are given here. That are prime number, addition, difference, multiplication, division series, square, cube, and the combination series. Letter series have only one, that is letter sequence series. So three kinds of problems asked in the exam, that is the question mark, or we need to find the sequence is at the end of series, middle in the middle of series, and the we need to find mismatch number or letter of the series. These three kinds of numerical or problems asked in the exam. So let's start with the prime number series. Prime number means the number only divisible by one or number itself. Such numbers are called as the prime numbers. So let's take an example as 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, question mark 23 up to 37 and question mark. Here the numbers are in sequence and all are the prime numbers. So prime number after 17 is 19 and prime number after 37 is 41. So the answer is 1, 19 and 41. The second question is 3, 3 7 17 31 and question mark. Here if we check that the gap between two prime numbers, here between 3 and 7, 5 is one prime number. Between 7 and 17 there are two prime numbers. Between 7 and 31 there are three prime numbers. So between 31 and next number there will be definitely four prime numbers. So the correct answer is 53. So let's move to the next series, that is the addition or difference series. It is simplest series. Here we need to just find the gap between numbers. So check the series 9 14, the gap is 5. 9 19, sorry 14 19, the gap is 5. 19 24, gap is 5. That means the every number, in between every number there is a gap of 5. So 29 plus 5, 29 plus 5 is equal to 34. The answer is 3. So next question, 11, 15, 21, 29, 39 and the question mark. Here if we check, the difference is increasing in order. So between 11 and 15 the difference is 4. Between 15 and 21 difference increases by 2, that is 6. Between 21 and 29 the difference is 8, that means again increase by 2. So 8 10, the next difference between question mark and 29 will be the difference of 12. So the 12 plus 29 is equal to 51. The answer is second. So next series is multiple and combination of number series. Here the question is 6, 12, 24, 48. These kind of numericals can be solved. Even they are the type of multiple, we can solve these numericals by finding the gaps. So if we check the gap between 6 and 12, it is 12. Between 12 and 24, it is 12. That means gap is the multiple of 6. 6, 12, 24. Next will be the 48. So the 48 plus 48 becomes 96. The question answer for this question is 96. If we check the series, then we can observe that there is the multiplication. There is every number is multiplied by 9. So 9 into 2, it becomes 18 plus 1. 9 into 3, 27 plus 1. 9 into 4, 36 plus 1. So on, if 9 into 1 is equal to 9 plus 1, so the answer will be here 10. We need to find answer from the reverse order, starting from the question mark. This kind of numericals may confuse you. So division series. Here, these kind of numericals are just like the multiplication one. So we can find this type of numerical just by identifying the gap, even gaps. So 48, the gap is 24, 12, 6, then the gap will be 3. So answer is 3. So next is the square series. Here we must know the squares for the numbers, at least the few numbers. So the 9, 25, 49, 12, 2, 21 and the question mark. If we check, the 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 11 square is 1 to 1. If we check, the all are the squares of prime number. So the next prime number is 13. So the square of 13 is 169, the second. Now next, if we check 1 9, 1 cube 1, sorry, 1 square 1, 3 square, that means 2 is absent, 3 square 9, 4 is absent, 5 square 25, 6 absent, 7 square 49, then 8 absent, 9 square 81, so on. If we check, the number before the question mark is 169, that is the square of 13. That means 15, 14 is dropped, next and next number will be the 15. So the square of 15 is 2 to 5. The answer is 2 to 5. Cube. Here we need to know the cube of numbers. So 26, 64, 125, 216. The next will be the 343. Letter sequence. Here if we check the question, that is ART BSU if we check the first letter of all sequences, all groups, then ABC, second letter RST, third letter TUV, that means every letter is in the sequence format. So at question mark, after C there is D, after T there is U, and after V there is W. So the correct answer is DUW. So now we are going to solve the problems. Now I will show you question for 10 seconds and you need to find out the answer and write it in the comment box below this video. So let's start. Question number 1. Question number 2. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third question. Fourth question. Fifth question. Sixth question. Seventh question. Last one. So thank you for watching video, and after finding the answer, write them in the comment box and comment on this video. Thank you.